In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make things float in Premiere Pro. Let's get to it. Open Premiere, create a new sequence, and add your file to the timeline. That can be logo, text, or anything else. Then select it, head over to the Effect Controls panel, under the Motion, create a keyframe for position by clicking on a stopwatch icon at default values at the beginning of the layer. Then move 1 second forward. Click on the word motion, that way we can see the blue indicators in the preview window and move the layer directly. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Click and drag the layer slightly randomly to a different position. Then move another second forward and move the layer to a different position randomly and repeat this process a few more times. And once you reach the 5-second mark, you can click on Reset Parameter to go back to the initial position values, and this will enable you to create a looping animation if you need to. So at the moment, the layer is 5 seconds long. If I extend it all the way to 10 seconds, now we can duplicate these keyframes by selecting all of them, Ctrl-C to copy, make sure the time indicator is placed at the end keyframe, then press Ctrl-V to paste the keyframes, and you can see that extends the animation. And if we do the preview, we should have this randomly floating icon that can go on forever as long as you have the keyframes for it. And if you want to make the animation a bit smoother, you can click on the position to select all the keyframes, right-click any of them, go to Temporal Interpolation, and select Bezier. That should make it a bit smoother. And that is it for this one. Thank you guys for watching.